The universe is vast, dark, and full of mysteries. Every night, as we gaze up at the endless expanse above, we are reminded of how little we truly know about what lies beyond our tiny blue planet. The cosmos stretches out in all directions, filled with secrets waiting to be uncovered, and questions that have yet to be answered. Sometimes, those mysteries don't just whisper, they shout for our attention, demanding that we look closer, think deeper, and challenge what we believe is possible. Astronomers and scientists dedicate their lives to listening for these cosmic signals, hoping to catch a glimpse of something extraordinary. Recently, we caught more than a glimpse. We found a traveler from another star system. 3I Atlas. This wasn't just a rock drifting through our solar system. It was a true interstellar visitor, a rare cosmic wanderer that had journeyed across unimaginable distances to briefly pass through our celestial neighborhood. It was a messenger from the unknown, promising stories from a distant home. Its presence hinted at the vastness of the universe and the possibility that there are countless other worlds, each with their own secrets, waiting to be discovered. But as quickly as it appeared, it vanished, slipping away into the darkness and leaving us with more questions than answers. Its brief visit was like a fleeting dream. One moment it was there, the next, it was gone. For months, the cosmos was silent. Where did it go? Did it break apart, or simply slip away into the void? The silence was deafening, and the sense of loss was profound. The astronomical community was baffled. Yeah, we'd been on the verge of a monumental discovery, and suddenly, it was gone. Researchers pored over data, searching for clues, but the trail had gone cold. This wasn't just any comet or asteroid, it was only the third interstellar object ever detected by humanity. Each one is a cosmic rarity, a chance to learn about the universe beyond our solar system. Its disappearance felt like a cosmic joke, a reminder of our limitations and how much we still have to learn. The universe, it seemed, was keeping its secrets close. But the universe is full of surprises. Just when hope was fading, a new signal emerged. The story of 3I Atlas was not over. It was about to take a turn no one expected. The ghost in the cosmos was about to return, bringing with it a revelation that would shake our understanding of life, the universe, and our place within it. The next chapter was about to begin. What is 3I Atlas? This mysterious name belongs to one of the most intriguing visitors our solar system has ever encountered, a true cosmic wanderer that captured the imagination of scientists and stargazers alike. The I stands for interstellar, meaning this object didn't originate from our solar neighborhood. Instead, it traveled across the vast emptiness between stars, journeying for millions, perhaps even billions of years before arriving here. Most objects we observe are local, asteroids, comets, and debris bound to our sun. But 3I Atlas is a true outsider, first spotted by Hawaii's Atlas telescopes, which scan the skies for anything unusual or potentially hazardous. Unlike Oumuamua and Borisov, the first two known interstellar objects, 3I Atlas was immediately strange. It was incredibly dark, absorbing almost all light, and its hyperbolic path showed it was not bound by our sun's gravity, just passing through. It was a time capsule from another star system carrying chemical fingerprints of its birthplace, clues to the conditions and materials that shaped it long ago, far away. Scientists were electrified. Here was a pristine sample from another corner of the galaxy, untouched by our solar system's history, offering a rare glimpse into the unknown. Was it rocky, icy, or something else entirely? Its true nature was a puzzle, sparking debates and theories across the scientific world. Every photon it reflected was a clue, a tiny piece of evidence for researchers to analyze and interpret. Initial data suggested a complex composition, unlike anything we'd seen in local comets or asteroids. Its molecular makeup hinted at exotic origins and processes. Telescopes worldwide scrambled to track it, knowing our window was short. Observatories from every continent joined the effort, hoping to catch a glimpse before it vanished. The clock was ticking. We had only months to unlock its secrets before it slipped back into the darkness of interstellar space, perhaps never to be seen again. The entire scientific community united, sharing data and ideas, racing against time, to understand 3I Atlas before it disappeared forever. Little did we know how soon that would be. Its visit was brief, but the questions it raised would linger for years. The mystery was just beginning, and the universe had just revealed another of its countless secrets, waiting for us to uncover more. As 3I Atlas approached the sun, its behavior grew erratic. Its light signature fluctuated wildly, One day visible, the next nearly gone. Was it breaking apart under the sun's heat, or was something stranger happening? Then, it vanished behind the sun, earlier than expected. Weeks turned to months. When it should have reappeared, there was nothing. Astronomers searched desperately, scanning wider and wider, but found only empty space. The conclusion seemed inescapable. 3I Atlas was gone, likely disintegrated into dust. Our interstellar messenger was lost. The sense of anticlimax was crushing. The world's observatories coordinated a massive search, but day after day, the result was the same. The cosmic guest had checked out without a word. The universe had reclaimed its secret. Or so we thought. The loss of 3I Atlas was a gut punch to science. It felt like a message in a bottle snatched away just as we reached for it. The data we had was incomplete. A thrilling first chapter with the rest of the pages blank. Theories abounded. Catastrophic fragmentation. A fragile object shattered by the sun. The public shared in the disappointment. Headlines shifted from excitement to mystery and loss. Space is unforgiving, and the universe owes us nothing. Yet a few teams refused to give up, scanning the heavens for any sign. Maybe it had survived, changed, or simply become harder to see. It was a long shot, but hope persisted. The universe is a big place to hide. Still, they watched, waited, and listened for a whisper from the ghost. Sometimes, hope is all you need. Then, in October 2025, the impossible happened. A faint point of light was detected by an observatory in Chile. Its trajectory matched 3I Atlas. The news spread instantly. Telescopes worldwide pivoted to confirm. It was back, but changed, fainter, and no longer a single object. High-resolution images revealed a central body surrounded by fragments, a ship damaged, but not destroyed. The sun hadn't reduced it to dust. A significant core and several large pieces survived. Relief and excitement swept the scientific community. We now had a second chance, not just to study the main body, but also its fragments. The object had been cracked open for us by the sun. The period of silence was over, replaced by a race to analyze this new system. What was once a single point of light was now a flotilla of cosmic artifacts. The universe had handed us a treasure chest. The real story was about to begin. With the mysterious object known as 3I Atlas back in view, NASA and other international space agencies threw every resource they had at it. Teams worked around the clock, analyzing every bit of data streaming in from their most advanced instruments, determined to uncover the secrets of this enigmatic visitor. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the sky, was tasked with a critical mission. It focused its sensitive instruments on the fragments, analyzing their chemistry, with a level of detail never before achieved in space science. The data it returned was nothing short of groundbreaking. The fragments themselves were astonishingly diverse. Some were icy, glistening with frozen gases, while others were dark, dense, and rich in complex organic materials. This diversity hinted at a sophisticated origin, far beyond what is typically seen in ordinary comets or asteroids. Then came the real shock. The main core of the object contained complex organic polymers, long repeating molecular chains, far more intricate than anything previously discovered on meteorites or other space debris. These polymers suggested a level of chemical engineering that was both advanced and deliberate. These weren't just the basic building blocks of life, they were highly organized, almost as if they formed a kind of code, reminiscent of the information-carrying molecules found in living organisms. The arrangement of these molecules was clearly non-random, displaying patterns and structures that scientists had only ever seen in biological systems, never in naturally occurring space objects. To the astonishment of researchers, it looked as if they were examining a piece of manufactured technology, but on a molecular scale, something intentionally designed rather than formed by chance. In a historic press conference, NASA made a stunning announcement. 3I Atlas was not just a rock drifting through space, it was in fact an active probe, possibly sent by an unknown intelligence. Its dark, enigmatic surface was revealed to be an artificial shell, a protective coating made of organized polymers engineered to withstand the harshest conditions of space and solar radiation. The fragments that had broken away were not the result of random collisions or natural decay. They had been intentionally shed, as if to reveal the probe's inner workings to any observers. After surviving a perilous journey near the sun, the object had purposefully revealed itself, as if it wanted to be found and studied by intelligent life. This was no dead messenger from the void. It was a probe with a mission, its arrival and revelation sending shockwaves through the scientific community. The implications for humanity, and our understanding of life in the universe, were truly staggering. We weren't looking at a piece of a distant planet, but a piece of distant technology. 3I Atlas appears to be an interstellar probe, sent by an intelligence beyond our own. Its shell was shielding, its fragmentation, a deployment. The complex polymers could be data storage, a molecular hard drive. Or perhaps the probe itself is the message proof we are not alone. The questions are profound. Who sent it? Why? Are they still out there? The probe is leaving our solar system, and we can only study it from afar. It arrived silently, revealed itself dramatically, and changed everything. SETI has searched for radio signals, but contact may come as a physical artifact. We were watching, we were curious, and we were rewarded with the greatest discovery in human history. The discovery of 3A Atlas's true nature is not an end, but a beginning. For the first time, we know we are not alone. This knowledge will reshape science, philosophy, and our sense of place in the cosmos. Every telescope will track 3I Atlas as it fades, and scientists will work for decades to decode its secrets. What will we learn? A history, a map, a message. This will galvanize our own efforts to reach the stars. If they can send a probe, so can we. 3I Atlas is a challenge and an inspiration. It tells us the journey is possible. The universe is more wonderful and surprising than we imagined. The sky above us will never look the same again.